So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about the top 3 businesses you should start in 2020. And they're probably businesses you've never heard of. If you're interested in that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, like I said, I want to talk about the top 3 businesses that you should start in 2020. And these are businesses that you probably never heard of. Well, if you did, you're in the know, so good for you. But before we get into all of that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I invite you to subscribe without even knowing anything about me. Just hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new here, welcome back. I am excited to have you back here with me today. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber, aka The Sassy Entrepreneur on Instagram. I'm also known as the original Glamsta. I'm the CEO of Girl Censored here on YouTube as well. So Girl Censored is our clothing brand, and I'm actually wearing one of our garments right now. This is from our 2020 collection, and you can check out more about Girl Censored at girlcensored.com. But without further ado, let's get into the businesses. So number 1 is a pop-up selfie museum. And I know that sounds kind of crazy, but I think it's an amazing idea. Now, if you do not know what a selfie museum is, oh, that was that Georgia and me coming out. If you do not know what a selfie museum is, then look it up. No, but it is basically like a type of museum that has like fun stuff where people can take selfies. And this is a new trend that's popping up everywhere. And one of the things that as a business that you can do is actually do pop-up selfie museums. And that's becoming more popular as well. They have freestanding selfie museums, which, you know, in my opinion, is a really big risk because you're having to do a lease, and it's a lot more commitment involved in that. I like the idea of a pop-up selfie museum where you can partner with different spaces and do them temporarily or take it on the road as well. I've seen where people have had themes where they just take that theme and take it on the road and do it in different places, or you can, you know, change up the theme and partner with different things. My suggestion would be, if you have an art performance type of place, museum or something in your area, they would be a great partner. Plays and theaters, or not plays and theater, I guess theaters like that do plays would be a great potential partner for you if you're looking for something like that, because they would have different like scenes and stage stuff. Because my thing is, as always, to keep things as scrappy as possible. So if you can keep costs low and actually partner with people that already have things in place for you, that's always the best way to go, because you want to test things out, and if things take off, then you invest more into it. So number 1 is pop-up selfie museums. And so number 2 is bar crawls. So bar crawls is nothing new, but I think it's important to mention in this video because I don't often hear people saying I have a bar crawl business. But with people being more mobile nowadays, and they often want to meet new people, bar crawls is a great way to check out local bars without going by yourself. And I know as a female too, it's just a safer way to do things as well. So it's a way to meet people, for locals to meet other people that are into the same kind of thing, which is going to bars. Because a lot of times when people are new to a town or something like that, they don't want to go to a bar by themselves. They would rather go in a group. So if you can monetize that and make a bar crawl business out of that, the better, right? And so one of the things that I have seen people do is that they invest in a bus or some sort of large vehicle, and that's how they leverage their bar crawl business. I think is a really great idea and an amazing way to meet people. So a bar crawl business is business number 2. And so for business number 3 for this video is a mobile nail beauty type salon. Now, I know that there's a lot of independent mobile nail techs out there that are their own business. But I think it's important for someone with a business mindset to kind of have a more expensive view on that and be the connector between a customer and a independent mobile nail tech. And so being the connector is having the website and being able to market and manage appointments and things like that. And on the customer side, now, if you were a connector and you were actual business and you were connecting mobile nail techs with customers, one of the things that you could do is actually run background checks on the mobile nail techs, because there's a lot of mobile nail techs out there. I, for one, would love to have a mobile nail tech come to my home and do my nails, because ain't nobody got time to be going to a salon and spending hours at a salon. At least I don't. But I mean, there's things to be said about that. But a lot of people are pressed for time nowadays. And so if you can run background checks and offer something that an independent mobile nail tech can't offer the customer, like safety, being accredited by the Better Business Bureau, and running background checks on them and making sure that they are licensed by the state. That is important, because as an independent nail tech, you can say you are and just go around and do business, but as the connector, you are verifying that these people are licensed, that they are credible, because you're running background checks on them. Because when you're having people come into other people's homes, safety is a must and people want to feel safe. So being that connector where you can connect the mobile independent nail techs with customers is a great business opportunity. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have other ideas, I would love to know. Leave your comments below. What kind of businesses would you start in 2020? I think these are great businesses that have great potential for the year 2020. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, all sorts of things. I like to do life advice, but business is one of my go-to things. And I also do some beauty videos as well. So if you're interested in things like that, definitely subscribe. And until the next video, I will check you in the next video. I need to get that right. I will check you in the next video. Peace.